Ramiro Mata was a devoted father and corrections officer in Ionia. His family says he died from COVID-19 not even 2 weeks ago. Unfortunately, he was just 45 years old.
We don't want any family to experience this. We were grieving, and we're grieving separately because COVID took that away from us.
The emotional wounds are still fresh for Ramiro Mata's family.
It's unfortunate that this virus did take my father because we were definitely using all the precautions.
Family members remember Mata as an outgoing, funny-loving man who cherished each and every moment with his kids and nephew.
He was a devoted dad. He had 4 children. He had 3 boys and 1 girl. He absolutely adored his children. There wasn't anything he wouldn't do for them.
Like my uncle was like, he was like my father in a way, I say, up until like the age of like 10.
Aside from being a role model at home, Mata was also devoted to his career as a corrections officer at the Bellamy Creek Correctional Facility in Ionia. COVID-19 has swept through Michigan prisons since the pandemic started. More than 23,000 inmates have tested positive. But even through this troubling time, Mata showed up to work with a smile.
He did a hard job. He was a prison guard, and he did it for 20 years. Most people would not last that long at that job.
I do consider him a very strong person. He never had a day off. He was either working or taking care of his kids, making sure that we had the best lives we could outside of his job.
Mata tested positive for COVID-19 on January 2nd and passed away a week later. And as his family deals with grief, they have one message for others.
Do what you can, do your part, wear your mask, wash your hands. You know, just everything that you can do it.
Now, this is obviously a very hard time for Ramiro's family, and they say they're using the good memories they have with him to cope through this difficult time. Now, coming up at 10, I'll talk to a Michigan Department of Corrections official about some of the safety precautions they've been taking since the pandemic started. For now, we're here in Lansing. Larry Wallace, Fox 47 News.